In this video, we're going to introduce you some of the terms that we use in talking about FX. Each currency has a three-letter abbreviation. The abbreviations of the most commonly traded currencies are US dollar, USD, Euro, EUR, Japanese yen, JPY, Great British Pound, GBP, Swiss franc, CHF. As you may notice, the first two letters are usually the official two-letter abbreviation for the country, while the third letter usually refers to the name of the currency. The euro, of course, is an exception, since it doesn't have a country. When you buy a currency, you have to buy it against another currency. That is, to buy one currency, you have to sell another currency. So all FX rates are quoted in terms of a pair of currencies. These are called the base currency and the quote currency. The base currency is the first one, and the quote currency is the second. The price represents how much of the quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. So for example, if you're trading Euro USD, the euro is the base currency and the dollar is the quote currency. The rate represents how many dollars you need to buy 1 euro. On the other hand, if you're buying USD JPY, the dollar is the base currency and the yen is the quote currency. The price represents how many yen you need to buy $1. The base currency is usually bigger than the quote currency, but not always. Professionals in the market usually talk about what they're doing in terms of base currency. So when they talk about buying USD JPY, they are buying dollars and selling yen. When they talk about selling USD JPY, they're selling dollars and buying yen. To keep everything straight, professionals wouldn't talk about buying or selling yen, but of course you're welcome to talk to your dedicated account manager if you want to make sure that your order is transmitted clearly. Most currencies are quoted against the US dollar, which is the most frequently traded currency. Rates against other currencies are called cross rates. If no other currency is mentioned, then the other person is usually talking about the value of a currency against the US dollar. Some currencies have nicknames which are widely used in the market. For example, GBP USD is commonly called cable, from the days when the rate was transmitted by undersea cable every day from New York to London. People would ask, "What's the cable today?" And the name stuck. The Canadian dollar is often referred to as the loonie, from the bird that appears on the $1 coin. And the New Zealand dollar is known as the kiwi, after the country's iconic bird. And the US dollar is known as the greenback, for obvious reasons.